you like to get a Florida last will and testament, this is actually my last will and testament, but yeah, it's actually good to go over them every once in a while and update things, because I know I had to make some changes. But anyways, if you're looking for a last will and testament and you don't want any of the cheap kind of boilerplate stuff that doesn't really pass the test for quality or for even Florida standards, we prepare legal documents like last wills and testaments, and these are very robust 7-page documents with initials on every page. They have the self-proving affidavit that is required by law, that these things basically make something they're up to the Florida bar standard. So we prepare those. Now obviously you can go to an estate attorney or a law firm that can do these for you. They are a lot more expensive and they're a lot slower to do them. I would say these are for people who have large assets. So if you have small assets, like your home's your largest asset, a simple will is going to suffice for most people, and we can help you out with that. We'd be glad to help you out. We've done hundreds of these. Now we don't get because we're not attorneys. We're a non-attorney document preparation service, so we are very familiar with these, and a lot of people request our services because they find those templated forms that you would get from like LegalZoom or Susie Orman to be very confusing and have a lot of empty spaces on them. So we don't, like I said, very robust, very similar to what you would get for a full price at a law firm. We can help you out with that. So what we do is we would take your information. Usually we're going to correspond by email. Now we are very quick at these too. Let me tell you that we can be good on the fly with these, and we can send a notary and a witness out. But what we usually will do is get your contact information, send you a questionnaire that kind of jogs your memory, figure out what your last wishes are, and then we're going to put those onto that form for you. And then what we'll do is we'll arrange the execution side of it. Execution is simply witnessing and notarization, basically making it a legally binding agreement. So that's what we would do, is we would arrange that. We're here in Central Florida, and we also have a database of notaries that can serve as witnesses and notaries to make sure that these get done on short notice. So that's one of our specialties. So what about the prices on these? Well, a simple will like this, just for the document to be produced, is $175. Now, if you come by my home office, I'd be glad to notarize it and provide a witness for just an additional $30. But most people, they want this even up to a bedside at a hospital, which we can accommodate. So our out the door price with witnesses and mobile notary under those circumstances is going to be about $350. So there it is. Now, again, my name is Mark. My wife is Grace. We are Noble Notary and Legal Document Preparers, Central Florida. We are fast and affordable. Our number is 321-283-6452, and you can find us on the internet at legaldocprepnotary.com. God bless. We look forward to helping you out.